As rain falls gently from the sky, the trees stand tall and proud, their leaves eagerly welcoming each droplet that kisses their outstretched branches. The patter of raindrops creates a soothing melody, bleeding harmoniously with the rustle of leaves in the breeze. The trees adorned in their glistening coat of rain seem to come alive with renewed vigor. Their colors deepen, the greens becoming more vibrant, and the browns of their trunks rich and earthy. Each leaf becomes a minute whistle, carrying precious water to nourish the tree and sustain its life. The rain brings a sense of calm and tranquility to the surrounding environment. The air is fresh and crisp, carrying with it the earthy scent of wet soil and foliage. The sound of rain on leaves a natural lullaby, calming the mind and soothing the soul. Underneath the canopy of the tree, the rain creates a natural shelter, offering refuge from the downpour. The ground beneath becomes moist and fertile, encouraging new growth and sustaining a myriad of life forms, from tiny insects to delicate ferns. In the dance between tree and rain, there is a timeless beauty, a harmony of elements that reminds us of the interconnectedness of all living things. The tree in the rain is not just a spectacle of nature, but a symbol of resilience, adaptability, and the cycle of life itself. If you are purchasing an item, ensure you pay the correct amount and follow the store's payment procedure. This includes waiting in line if necessary and being patient with the checkout process. Clean country roads winding through lush greenery, flanked by tall majestic trees, paint a serene and picturesque scene. These roads, often devoid of heavy traffic and pollution, offer a tranquil escape into nature's embrace. As you travel along these roads, the air feels fresher, carrying hints of earthy fragrance mixed with sweet scent of blossoming flower. The trees that line these roads vary in species, creating a diverse and captivating landscape. Towering oak trees spread their broad branches overhead, providing a natural canopy that filters the sunlight and casts depelled shadow on the road below. Their sturdy trunks stand as sentinels of time, silently witnessing the changing seasons years after years. Intermingled amongst the oaks are graceful willows, their slender branches swaying gently in the breeze, adding a touch of elegance to the countryside. Maple trees flout their vibrant foliage in autumn,